Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacey Flowers, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to tie a headscarf or to wrap a turban around your head. Specifically, this video is for anybody who actually has a very low haircut or little to no hair on their head. So if you're interested in that, please keep watching. So this video was inspired by my latest budget with me video. Someone who is experiencing chemotherapy asked me if I would share how I tie my head. She mentioned that she wants to wrap rather than wig, and I felt like this would be a great opportunity to share, especially since I know a lot of the women who are dealing with chemotherapy, their head is fully bald or it's very low like how mine is, and typically we're not able to achieve this bun and just the bulk, and I want to show you guys how I did that. So I'm gonna unwrap this and play it back for you guys as we do it. First things first. Okay, so this is just a little thing that I purchased. So I purchased this so that when I go to the gym on the days when I need a haircut, I can just wrap my hair up like this and still be cute. But the thing that you're going to need if you are a woman with low hair like mine or no hair at all, and you want to actually have a headscarf and you want to have the fullness that you just saw in mine, is you're going to need a little head wrap like this. It looks just like this black one, but you see the black one only has like this little divot here. This one actually has this little flower, and so you're gonna need it. You see when I put it on my head, it is actually super like oversized. There's a lot of material, etc., etc. That is very intentional. I'll show you guys how we use that in a second. But this is the secret ingredient to any of the ladies out there who are struggling with hair loss via chemotherapy, are choosing to wear your hair low. If you really want your wrap and your turban to look amazing, you want to invest in this little head bonnet with the rose on it. And I'll explain to you why here in a second. So I took the black bonnet off, and now I just have on the rose bonnet. And you see all this extra material here and this bun here. This is actually what the scarf is going to adhere to, so that way when you're wrapping it tight, it doesn't create that peanut head or the profile that isn't appropriate. Actually, before I show you that, let me show you what it looks like without using this. So let's just say I did this quick bun like this. Like, this is decent, this is cute. But when I turn my head to the side, you see how from the nape of my neck here, it creates a very small sort of like peanut style head with a very big bun in the front. Now from the front, it's kind of cute. I mean, this is very fast, so it's a little bit lopsided. From the front, I look super cute, but from the side, I want you guys to see that. I'm hoping that you guys can see that that is a bad profile, right? So now we're gonna do it with the bonnet. All right, so I have the bonnet on my head, and this is gonna give us a much better profile to make it look like we are intentionally wrapping our head. And I'm putting the bonnet like up here at the center of my head because that's where I want that crown. And then we're gonna take my scarf, which is a fairly long scarf. It is a wide scarf. I know many of you guys will ask where I got this scarf from. I got this scarf from Forever 21 in 2011. It is my favorite scarf of all times. I love it. I love all the patterns and the colors and everything in it. Once you have that, you want to fold it in half because you won't need all of that material. So just fold it in half, kind of like how I did right here. And then you want to take it, and I'm going to try to do this with in front of the viewfinder. So you want to take it, and you want to, the folded edge is the edge that you want to have at the bottom of your neck. So you want to take that, so underneath the bonnet, and then you want to come up tight around your ears with both sides like this, and then you want to just wrap. And I'm gonna have to look in the mirror just real quick, but you just want to take it and you just want to wrap. And so what you're actually wrapping around, hold on, what you're wrapping around is this little flower thing that's up here, and you don't have to dig it out like this. I'm just trying to show you guys, but it's there. So you're actually wrapping the material around that, and I have to look in the mirror to finish this. Okay, so we have the basic crown. Now I just need to tuck the fringe and all that. But we have the basic crown. You can see that there's a little bit more dimension because of the scarf in my profile, and the same thing from this side, which gives the impression that I'm intentionally wrapping my hair up. You can leave the fringe if you want to be fancy. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck And you just want to be mindful of the direction that you're tucking, that you don't untie. Some scarves won't have any fringe, so you don't even have to worry about that, but since my scarf is fringy, just gonna tuck. Yeah, I mean, you can totally leave the fringe. It brings me back to my days when I had a little bangs as a young girl. Of course, we have that tree blower in the background because I'm trying to wrap up this video. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but so now I have my full crown on for the day. And what I like about this technique in terms of using the bonnet, again, because you get additional material in here that doesn't give you the peanut shape, which really for me feels like it's a way more intentional way to wrap your hair. So instead of you looking like you just rolled out of bed and you're trying to cover something up, you actually look like this is an intentional crown that you put on for the day, which is ultimately what I want for you if your hair is low. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, just let me know what videos you would want to see in the comments below, and I will talk to you all very soon. Bye.